Royals, my name is Sheila, but you can call me She. Let's go. Who may file for Form I-130? If you're a U.S. citizen, you must file a separate Form I-130 for each eligible relative. You may file Form I-130 for A, your spouse, B, your unmarried child under 21 years of age, C, your unmarried sons or daughters 21 years of age or older, D, your married sons or daughters of any age, E, your brothers or sisters, you must be 21 years of age or older, and F, your mother or father, you must be 21 years of age or older. 2. If you are a lawful permanent resident of the United States, you must file a separate Form I-130 for each eligible relative. You must file Form I-130 for A, your spouse, B, your unmarried child under 21 years of age, and C, your unmarried son or daughter 21 years of age or older. Follow me on She's World for